Welcome to SYN-Me-A-EGG YouTube channel, home of 2 Army veterans, where we allow you to see exclusive content. Our business provides fresh chicken eggs. We keep our bees treatment free. Come on and march with us as we lead our bees with a smile and arm our chickens that has delicious eggs that keep you coming for more. Welcome to SYN-Me-A-EGG, a veteran-owned business in Texas, raising chicken and bees the natural way. In this video, I'm going to allow you to see inside the flex hive we built at Be Mindful. Right now, what you're looking at is our bees fighting off what looks to be a drone bee, which is a male bee. Before we enter into the hive, I want to tell you about our mission, which is simple. Produce clean, nutritious eggs, raising happy chickens with space and sunlight. Practice gentle and non-stress-free beekeeping, teaching others about how natural farming can bring peace, healing, and purpose. Much of our beekeeping philosophy comes from the teaching of Dr. Sharashkin, a leader in natural, horizontal hive beekeeping. His focus on letting bees live as close to the wild as possible aligns perfectly with our values. We also support the message behind Be Mindful, encouraging people to understand bees, protect their natural habitat, and approaching beekeeping with patience. Inside the hive, you can see our bees building natural comb on wax foundation that we bought from Dr. Sharashkin. And I show you step by step how to do this in the previous video. Just watch and listen to the sound of nature doing what it was created by God to do. Thank you for stopping by SYN-Me-A-EGG. Please like, share, and subscribe.